What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of CryptoRuff, where we demystify cryptocurrency every single day. Today, taking a look at Bitconnect X. What is it going to be? All that we know right now on Bitconnect X is there is a landing page. None of these links work up top here, but coming down we see that the ICO actually begins in 5 days, 4 hours, and 34 minutes. So Bitconnect X ICO, what's it going to be? A lot of people are thinking it's going to be some type of an exchange. It could be another coin that Bitconnect is actually releasing to use on their normal platform, but I actually think it's going to be some type of decentralized exchange where the Bitconnect X token will be similar to the BNB token on Binance, allowing you to make all trades between altcoins using Bitconnect X as the transaction fee. Another great way for them to make money. We have actually seen talk of this on Bitconnect's roadmap for 2018. If we pop on over, we see January security UI improvement. We've seen that with some verification stuff they have on the Bitconnect site. But if we scroll down here and look at a decentralized fiat exchange coming this May, decentralized cryptocurrency exchange for Bitcoin and Bitconnect coin, buy and sell BCC and BTC with fiat currency. This could very well be the groundwork for this exchange right here. It could be that they're even expanding the exchange even more to include other altcoins. Obviously, we've seen here, looking at March, the volatility algorithm update, changes to volatility algorithm, and adding more currencies for trading against Bitconnect coin. What that could be is possibly new cryptocurrencies coming out like Bitconnect X. Maybe they're going to start adding some different altcoins through this exchange so that we can trade them against BCC, against Bitcoin, and have a better exchange opportunity. All I know is that Bitconnect X is something you want to get invested into. As soon as this buzzer hits zero, you want to come up, sign up for it, log in, and buy as much of it as you possibly can, because it's going to be huge. I'm really excited for Bitconnect X. I think this is going to be one of the biggest ICOs of 2018 with the greatest chance for a huge profit increase. So be on the lookout for Bitconnect X, guys. Comment below what you think Bitconnect X is. I think it's going to be something really incredible. All right, guys, let's head over and check out the markets today. Look at that. Bitcoin up a little more today, as we saw a little dip last night. Back up, slowly working its way back up to the $16,000 mark. Ripple absolutely exploding still, $3.37, really awesome. Congrats Ethereum on hitting that $1,000 mark. You are now the fourth cryptocurrency to hit 4 digits. Very, very cool. Now, if we come down to Cardano, that's on the up and up, but something that's had a lot of movement in the rank that I actually talked about yesterday is Tron. Tron was like number 14 yesterday, 14 or 15, and today we look that Tron is actually in position number 9. It actually went down just 1 cent here. It was at 20 cents earlier today, actually putting it in the number 8 spot. It actually had a higher market cap than Litecoin. So very cool to see Tron taking off. Obviously a little bit of a pullback here as it's racing up the charts with 134% increase in the past couple days. Over $3 billion being traded. So Tron is set to explode, guys. I'm holding a lot of Tron, so I'm really rooting for this to go up to $1 here in the early months and possibly even further as we get into 2018. And coming down to check Bitconnect, $421, down a little bit, but we're gonna see that surge up, getting ready for the Bitconnect X token. If you didn't see here, coming back, they're going to be accepting Bitconnect coin, Litecoin, and Bitcoin. So a few different ways that you can buy into the program. Really cool that they're accepting Litecoin. Obviously, that's a sign that possibly Litecoin is coming to Bitconnect this next year and possibly being able to buy into Bitconnect using Litecoin. So very, very cool to see that little hint here. All right, guys, let's come actually over to Bitconnect. I haven't done a Bitconnect video in a little while. There's just been a lot going on. I had my 10 tips videos, and then I wanted to talk about DAVORCOIN a little bit. But I'm still invested in Bitconnect. I'm still reinvesting every single day. I believe my last video I did was just hitting 2,000 or just over 2,000. So now if we look in the past week or so, I'm up to $2,380 invested right now in Bitconnect. Obviously, that's just the daily reinvesting from my lending profit. For those of you who don't know my story, I lent $1,000 to a friend so they could put it in their Bitconnect because they guaranteed they could give me double my return on it. So after I saw it working, I decided I didn't want to wait for the return, and I invested myself with a couple hundred, let that grow a little bit, and then this December my friend gave me the first half of that money I invested with him back. So I got my first $1,000 lend at the beginning of December. So watching this number grow is really excited. I'm getting closer and closer with each day to my goal of having $10,000 in the program. So guys, let's do an actual reinvest today. Our lending wallet is getting heavy there with about $35. So let's go ahead and click on the reinvest here and get our total lend of $30 going. That will of course release back to me after 299 days. Let's go ahead and confirm that successfully lent, and let's refresh our page here and come down to look at our total investment now of $2,410, almost $2,500 lent in Bitconnect. I'm super excited to keep going, to keep plowing away in Bitconnect, and to keep making those gains every single day. If you're not signed up on Bitconnect, I know there's a lot of FUD going on about it right now. That's fear, uncertainty, and doubt about the program, but I know a lot of people who have made their money back, who have seen the capital releases, and who continue to earn percentage in profits every single day on Bitconnect. So I am really trusting the program, and I hope that you guys will give it a chance to achieve some financial freedom in 2018. Obviously, like I've been preaching the past couple days, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify, diversify, diversify. Lend on Bitconnect, lend on HashFlare, lend on DAVORCOIN, hold altcoins, hold Bitcoin, hold ICOs, and keep diversifying your crypto portfolio in 2018 to gain a passive income that can lead you to financial freedom. So check it out, guys. Check out Bitconnect. Link is down below in the description if you want to get started today. Alright, with that, if you didn't know, I give away $10 of Litecoin every single day. All you have to do to enter to win is subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, comment your Litecoin address down below, and like the video you're watching now. So guys, let's find out who today's random winner is. Just hit over 700 subscribers last night. Really excited to see the growth on the channel. So today's winner is Pedro Ezekiel. They need to include more exchange sites very bad. Not quite sure what you're talking about there. Yesterday's video we talked about HashFlare and we talked about buying Tron, of course, on Binance. Maybe he's referring to the fact that Tron should be on more exchanges, and hopefully we will see Tron come to different exchanges other than sites like BTC and Binance, but we are seeing more and more altcoins appear on top exchanges, so it would be cool to see the top 10 cryptocurrencies all on COINBASE. Hopefully we'll see more stuff like that coming in 2018. So Pedro, let's send you your Litecoin, heading over here to our COINBASE wallet and getting you $10 worth of Litecoin today. Congrats on winning. All right, $10 checks out with a beautiful network fee of 24 cents. Let's go ahead and continue and put in our two-step verification code. All right, here you go, Pedro. Here is your $10 worth of Litecoin. Guys, thank you so much for your support on the channel. Over the past few weeks, we've seen an explosion of growth. I'm really excited and thankful, and just like to give back a little bit to the community. So that's why I give away Litecoin every single day, just trying something new in 2018. Litecoin is one of my top cryptocurrencies, and I think we're really going to see it explode here this next year. If you haven't yet, guys, be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you don't miss a single video, comment your Litecoin address down below to enter you to win Litecoin in tomorrow's video, and give this video a like if you learned something new and you're excited about earning on Bitconnect, or you're excited about what's coming with Bitconnect X on January 10th. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.